again, we're gonna be replacing the power seat switch module adjustment. That's the guy right there. Basically what I did is removed this bolt right here. There's one in the front, there's one in the back over there, and I removed this cover over here, which basically will give me access to the seat belt bolt, and then I'll be able to just pull my panel away from the seat and be able to replace that module. All right, I believe it's a 15mm wrench. I'll get that taken off and we'll go from there. Oh, here it is. So basically what happens is, once you remove these, that seat bolt and that another bolt here, I only have one hand here. I have to hold the light because it's late already. Basically you just push on these tabs a little bit and wiggle the switch out of its place, and then you just have to disconnect that connector, replace the other one, and put those bolts back where they need to go. Basically reverse all the steps. Easy peasy.